Mastering Business Settings, Public Speaking and Presentations. Hello everyone, and welcome to another enlightening episode on our English language learning journey. Today, we'll be focusing on a very crucial topic: public speaking and presentations in business settings. This is a significant skill set for anyone planning to thrive in a business environment, whether you're a student, professional, or entrepreneur. So, let's dive right in. In any discussion about public speaking and presentations, understanding the setting is crucial. A business setting typically involves a formal or semi-formal environment, where individuals communicate about professional or commercial matters. It could be a business meeting, a conference, a pitch session, a webinar, or even a casual business luncheon. The language used is generally more formal, with specific industry jargon and terms. Public speaking and presentations play a vital role in business settings. They are used to convey ideas, motivate teams, pitch products, or share progress with stakeholders. Excellent public speaking skills can help you communicate your ideas effectively and influence decisions, making you an asset to any business. For successful public speaking in business settings, there are key skills you need to develop. 1. Preparation. Understand your audience, the purpose of the speech or presentation, and prepare your content accordingly. 2. Clarity. Your message should be clear and easy to understand, avoiding unnecessary jargon. 3. Confidence. Public speaking often requires a certain level of confidence, which can be gained through practice. 4. Body language. This includes eye contact, gestures, and posture. Good body language enhances your credibility and keeps your audience engaged. 5. Listening skills. Good public speakers are also good listeners. They understand and respond to their audience's reactions and questions. Public speaking and presentations can pose several challenges, especially in a business setting. It might be stage fright, dealing with difficult questions, or handling distractions. Here are some tips to overcome these challenges. Practice. The more you practice, the better you'll get at handling these situations. Seek feedback. Don't hesitate to ask for feedback and use it to improve. Stay calm and composed. Things might not always go as planned. It's important to stay calm and handle any hiccups with grace. And that wraps up our discussion on public speaking and presentations in business settings. Remember, like any other skill, becoming proficient at public speaking and giving effective presentations requires practice and patience. With time, you'll not only become comfortable in business settings but also emerge as a strong and impactful speaker. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Happy learning!